Hello all, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to see more videos. Have you ever tasted ice cream that's naturally sweet, super creamy, and made with just a few ingredients? Today, we're making homemade muskmelon ice cream, no machine needed. First, let us make homemade milkmaid, which is just a condensed milk. You either make directly from boiling the milk or by this method which I am showing now. First, take 4 spoons of sugar and grind it to make it as powder, then add 4 spoons of milk powder. Add a spoon of saltless butter and add some milk and grind it till you get this consistency. Check the consistency and add little more milk till you get the desired consistency. You can easily make this and store in the refrigerator and use. If it is too thick, add little more milk and grind it once again. Now check for the consistency again. Once you get this thick consistency, heat up the pan and add this mixture. Tell us in the comments if you like to make everything at home instead of buying from stores. Under the low flame, keep mixing until it solidifies. Once it becomes thick, keep it aside and let it cool. After it cools down, transfer it to a storage box and keep it in refrigerator. You can grind it once again if there is any lumps. It will become smooth and even consistency. Once the condensed milk is ready, we can start making the ice cream. Start by cutting the muskmelon and scooping out the juicy flesh. Make sure it's ripe. It adds natural sweetness and amazing flavor. First, remove the seeds and scoop out the flesh and add it in a mixer jar. Blend the muskmelon into a smooth puree. No need to add water. The fruit has enough moisture. Add the freshly prepared condensed milk. Add some plain milk and grind it mixer to get a smooth consistency. Add the puree into a container and store it in freezer for overnight. The final consistency will be very hard if you refrigerate it for longer time. Keep only for 8 hours in the normal freezer of home refrigerator. Remember, we are making this without any fancy machine. For a smoother and creamy consistency, we need to add whipping cream in the process. Comment if you need the other recipe with cream too. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy homemade desserts.